Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on your Litter-Robot 4 in case you're having any issues with it not connecting, with it freezing, with it not tracking data correctly, or if you're just, maybe you have a new cat or you're selling it and you just want to give it a totally fresh start. There's a couple things you can do. One thing you can do is you can just unplug it for 60 seconds and then plug it back in and turn it on, and that should reset everything. Other than that, if it's still on, you can actually force it to reset by coming in here and pressing the reset button and the connect button. And if you just hold them simultaneously for about 3 seconds, it will force the unit to go into a reset cycle. And then once you do that, you can turn it back on. Now, once you turn it back on, again, everything will have been wiped off of the device, and including anything that you had it connected to. So you will have to reconnect it to anything. But that is how you do the hard reset. So anyways, hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.